Here with a look at Popcat. All right, taking a look at this chart. If you're looking for a reversal on this thing, you would be expecting it pretty soon, right? And we're looking for an alt season here to come out of this market. Looking for Bitcoin dominance to drop yet. We got a lot of stuff going on yet, so I know it's been a little depressing last week. Downward price action always sucks, right? Bitcoin is doing nothing really out of the ordinary, okay? 30, 20, 30% pullbacks, perfectly normal. That's the shakeout point of the market, That's where they want you to sell. And then when this Bitcoin dominance plummets, that's when they want you running back in and buying, right? I mean, that's the whole idea here. That's the game they play with you. Now, if we take a measurement here on Popcat, just checking this out before I started this video. All right, we have a run back up to a 618 here, which would be typical for a B. If we measure this out, pull this down on top, C, all right, would put us down in this area where this wick came. Okay, now we're looking for bounces, right? We're looking for possible areas where this thing could reverse. Let's go in on a 4-hour and take a look at this. Okay, you'd be looking, obviously for areas of interest here where this thing could turn around. All right, I don't think it's there yet. Quite honestly, it's only at a 236. All right, now where would I be watching for reversal points? Anywhere down. Anywhere down through this range, really. I mean, it could even come down to a 702, or most likely down here. You'd be looking for pullback down into this range, 12 to 9.7, right in this box, and then looking for a turn back up. And if you come out on a bigger picture, what are we looking for? We're looking for an altcoin season, right? I mean, that's the whole point of everybody being here, right? What could this turn out? I mean, this could turn out being a 1, 2, 3. Who knows how high these can go, or these runs can come back up. Very hard to say, really. I mean, if we take a trend-based fib and get a target off this, and please hit that like and subscribe, guys. If you haven't, check out our level 3 membership in the description of the video, our trading community, or Discord there. It's $15 right now, man. If you've been on the fence about joining and coming in, we hit Bass for a massive move yesterday and today. I'm up 400% today on that, and PRCL, I think, was the other one. That thing ended up making a pretty massive move to the upside. That would have been a 5 to 10x on your money on that one. So 3 really nice trades the last 2 days. It's only $15 for a month, and you get 10 hours of videos to teach how to start charting. Okay, so we would love to have you. Like I said, if you're thinking about it, now's the time, man. Right, for this alt season. This is where we're gonna make a pile of money in leverage trading. Not financial advice. I'm not saying that's guaranteed, but we do pretty well with that. A trend-based fib would give this thing a target back up at 53 cents for 5 waves up. Now, if we come out on a monthly here, all right, trend-based fib, give it a target up here, 53 to 56. That would put it back up where about in this zone. Okay, that's still not me personally, I would be expecting even a higher retracement. That only puts it in a 236, and that could all be your first move. That could all be a wave 1, 2. If we get 5 waves up there, I would be looking up into here. For retracement levels, dollar to $1.50. That's what I would be looking for personally. The monthly RSI, don't have much of one really. The weekly, look at the weekly. I mean, that thing's ready to turn back up to the upside, right? I mean, the weekly is right at the bottom. The daily, a little bearish, which we could expect that. I mean, we've had down price action, right? 12-hour, kind of bullish, not really bearish there either. And the 4-hour. 4 hours still coming down, which we would be expecting that, right? I mean, this thing could still pull down another, pretty decent 20 to 30%, before it bounces. So don't be shocked, right? But looking for reversal points, down through here, 9.8 to 12, right in this zone. Okay, that's what I'll be watching for, and looking for a bounce out of here. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it more than you know. Have a great night, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.